Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Blue color, red color, pink color. Kids, the next one is light pink color, light green color, and the next one is black color. Now we open the color of brown, and the next one is silver color. Now we open the color of yellow, and the next one is white color. Kids, the next one is purple color. Now we open the color of orange, and the next one is sky blue color, and the last one is dark green color.